Prerna from the Urban Platter studio. Today we are going to make coconut and chocolate cupcakes. For the coconut flavor, we are going to use 3 main ingredients, that is coconut oil, desiccated coconut and coconut milk. Now you know what's the best part about this? That this is the only vegan cupcake recipe that you'll ever need, because you can easily substitute it with your favorite ingredients. And don't worry, all the ingredients are easily available on our website. So let's get started. Cupcakes are ready. They look delicious, especially because of the desiccated coconut in the batter. Now you could go nuts with the variations. You could add some chocolate chips or any other flavor that you want to incorporate. Now it's totally up to you. This recipe is totally customizable. If you want more such vegan baking content, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. This is me, Prerna, signing off from the Urban Platter studio. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.